Do you know many people are having trouble with their Roomba 405 not starting even after charging? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check placement. Place your Roomba on a flat surface and ensure it's secure. Press the Clean button to see if it begins a cycle. Step 2. Clean brushes. Turn the Roomba over, remove the main and side brushes, and clear any debris. Securely replace the brushes once they're clean. Step 3. Empty bin. Open the bin and remove any accumulated debris or dust. Ensure it's completely empty before closing it up. Step 4. Check wheels. Inspect the wheels for any obstructions or wrapped debris. Push to confirm they move freely and are not stuck. Step 5. Clean sensors. Clean the cliff sensors under the front bumper using compressed air or a dry cloth to clear any debris. After following these steps, your Roomba should be back to cleaning your home efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other iRobot users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.